The Constitution of India. Part 6. The States. Chapter 3. The State Legislature. Legislative Procedure. Article 199. Definition of money bills. 1. For the purposes of this chapter, a bill shall be deemed to be a money bill if it contains only provisions dealing with all or any of the following matters, namely: A. The imposition, abolition, remission, alteration or regulation of any tax. B. The regulation of the borrowing of money or the giving of any guarantee by the state, or the amendment of the law with respect to any financial obligations undertaken or to be undertaken by the state. C. The custody of the consolidated fund or the contingency fund of the state, the payment of monies into or the withdrawal of monies from any such fund. D. The appropriation of monies out of the consolidated fund of the state. E. The declaring of any expenditure to be expenditure charged on the consolidated fund of the state, or the increasing of the amount of any such expenditure. F. The receipt of money on account of the consolidated fund of the state, or the public account of the state, or the custody or issue of such money, or G. Any matter incidental to any of the matters specified in subclauses A to F. 2. A bill shall not be deemed to be a money bill by reason only that it provides for the imposition of fines or other pecuniary penalties, or for the demand or payment of fees for licenses or fees for services rendered, or by reason that it provides for the imposition, abolition, remission, alteration or regulation of any tax by any local authority or body for local purposes. 3. If any question arises whether a bill introduced in the legislature of a state which has a legislative council is a money bill or not, the decision of the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly of such state thereon shall be final. 4. There shall be endorsed on every money bill when it is transmitted to the Legislative Council under Article 198, and when it is presented to the Governor for assent under Article 200, the certificate of the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly signed by him that it is a money bill.
Article 199 in the Indian Constitution plays a crucial role in the financial administration of the country. It deals with the definition of money bills and their unique treatment within the legislative process. Here's a breakdown of the key points. 1. What qualifies as a money bill? For a bill to be classified as a money bill under Article 199, 1. It must exclusively deal with one or more of the following matters: imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, or regulation of any tax. Regulation of borrowing of money or giving of guarantees by the state. Custody of the consolidated fund or the contingency fund of the state. Payment of money into or withdrawal of money from any such fund. Appropriation of monies out of the consolidated fund of the state. Declaration of public debt and other financial obligations. Any matter incidental to any of the above matters. Essentially, a money bill focuses on the government's finances, including raising revenue, spending, managing debt, and controlling the state's financial resources. 2. What does not qualify as a money bill? Some provisions, even if involving finances, do not automatically make a bill a money bill. Bills imposing fines or penalties. Bills requiring fees for licenses or services. Bills related to taxes levied by local authorities. 3. Significance of money bills. Money bills have a special status in the legislative process. The upper house, Rajya Sabha, has limited powers over money bills. Unlike regular bills, it cannot reject or amend them. It can only recommend changes for the lower house, Lok Sabha, to consider. The President's assent is mandatory for all bills, but for money bills, the President's refusal of assent is rare. 4. Implications. This distinction between money bills and other bills ensures that the government has control over its finances and can quickly implement financial policies through the lower house. However, it also raises concerns about potential misuse of this power and limitations on the upper house's role in financial matters.